Imagine you're at a party and you hear your favorite song playing. But how do you actually hear that music? It starts with sound waves. Think of sound waves like ripples in a pond when you throw in a pebble. These ripples move through the air until they reach your ears. Inside your ears, tiny parts help to catch those waves and turn them into something you can understand. It's like a magical team of helpers turning the waves into music or voices. That's why you can hear your friend's laughter or a bird singing outside. So next time you hear a sound, remember the journey those waves took to reach you.